Crips in the vice lord.
365 days later.
Further back.
What's up?
Wait, what am I saying? What's up, Naggers? I'm back. Got some new parts on my bike. Alright, first, my main new part, Premium Death Trap, 20.5. I'm loving it so far. Alright, we got fresh premium back wheel on an alienation rim. And then sprocket. We got premium NAR Star, because I shred NAR. Alright, up in the front, got my matching front wheel. Same front wheel as my last bike check, but traded a kid at the skate park. And fresh headset, because my other Kink Bike Co headset broke. Oh, and Federal seat. Getting premium fat seat soon. Oh, and tires, I changed those. Got We the People gripping, foldable in the back. And Fly Reuben in the front. And that's it. Peace.